In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a virtual card on EverSend. So I just created this account just to walk you through how to go about it. So all you just need to do, just log into your EverSend app, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Then here you can see cards down below. Just click on cards. Then if you currently have a card, you'll be able to see it right there, and if not, you will see create new card. So just click on that. Then you can see the virtual card, how it looks like. You can select the color of the card you want. You can see there are three different cards from EverSend. So I think this one really look cool. So you can click on continue. So once you click on continue, this page will look like this. So you choose how much you want to fund your virtual card. So select the amount you want to fund your virtual card, and the money will be deducted from your balance. So you have to make sure you have enough money in your balance so that you will be able to fund your account without any issue. So once you select the amount, just click on continue, and the money will be deducted from your balance, and the virtual card will be there, and then you can use it to shop online or buy anything online.